Donald Trump finally announced tariff that he had been talking about. What it does, it has caused a turmoil in the stock market. Only in one day on 3rd April, the stock market lost a value of around $2.5 trillion. Now, in order for you to understand how big $2.5 trillion is, approximately 75% of the Indian GDP. India is one of the fastest growing, one of the biggest economies in the world. So now this is a big number. And as I'm recording this video, there are news that the market is going to fall even today, which is 4th of April. And the futures are looking quite bad. So it could be a turmoil number 2. Now, a lot of people are confused what these tariffs are and how these are implemented. First of all, in this video, I will cover what these tariffs are, what are the rates for each country that Donald Trump has put in, and how this is going to impact the economies, the people involved, the businesses involved, and overall population. So basically, we'll understand the impact. Now, first of all, we'll try to understand what these tariffs are. For example, if Donald Trump has implemented a 10% straightforward tariff on all the countries exporting goods to the United States, so any business who's importing goods from any country in the world has to pay a 10% tariff to the US government. So who will pay here? The importer in the United States that's importing goods, let's say from Australia, will have to pay 10% duty upon clearance of the import. So what it does is increase the cost of business in the US. Now, these are the tariff numbers that I've got, which has been put in place by Donald Trump. One of the reasons why Donald Trump wanted to put these tariffs in place is because he has always believed that America has been taken for a ride and all the countries have charged tariffs against America, but America never charged any tariffs. He wanted to retaliate and want the countries to make up for whatever benefits they were taking from the USA till now. But he said that he doesn't want to allow any more rip off of the American economy. Now, 34% tariff on China, Japan is 24%. South Korea 25%, Vietnam a whopping 46%, India 27%. In this video, I'll also talk about the impact that India can have. It could be positive and negative at the same time, but we'll understand it later. I'll just give you a quick example of how these tariffs are applied. So now assume you are a Chinese exporter who are sending $1 million of toys, and a toy is sold at $20. So now you are sending $1 million. The importer that is receiving your goods in the US pays $1 million to you. Now the same importer, after implication of these tariffs of 34%, will pay $340,000 extra. So the importer's cost becomes, instead of 1 million, it becomes 1.34 million, which is an increase of 34%, substantial increase. What it might do is impact the price of the toy from $20 to maybe $26, $27. There are a lot of studies in the market which says whenever there is a change in tariff or imports, export charges, 70 to 80% cost gets carried to the end user, which are consumers, people like me and you. Now, what this 34% will do, first of all, it will increase the cost of the toy. That is one thing. Second, now both the importer in America and the exporter in China will try to reduce their cost. They can reduce their cost by reducing their investments, possibly by job cuts, maybe some reduction in quality, and obviously it will cause a loss of profit for both the companies, the producer in China as well as the seller, which is in America. So it has a negative effect on both sides, as well as it has a negative effect on the consumers who are going to buy these toys for a higher price. Similarly, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, India are going to suffer the same fate. Will it lead to a recession? We don't know, but there is a strong likelihood that these tariffs can cause a substantial impact on the GDPs of the involved economies and obviously of the United States. It might become a catalyst in causing the recession, which was already kind of impending and people were waiting for it. One of the countries that might benefit is obviously India, because when you put 34% on China, 46% on Vietnam, 25% on South Korea, and 24% of Japan, India becomes a major player, because even with 27% tariff, India can still take a lot of businesses and can eat into the market share of the other economies. So India might have a positive impact in the long term. Obviously, as we speak, as of now, India is going to suffer. All the countries involved in this game are going to suffer. As I record this video, the US market is still down and expected to crash even today on 4th of April 25. So just to sum up, tariff is something that an importer pays to the government of the importing country, which in this case is United States. Exporter suffers because he has to either reduce his cost or suffer on the sales side. Both the parties suffer because both have to cut down costs somewhere. In some cases, it may cause loss of employment for the employees, which in turn reduces the consumer spending in the market, causing a reduction overall market activity and a possible reduction in the GDP. There is a potential retaliation expected. China has already announced a retaliatory tariff of 34%, and now the same story will apply in China. It will cause even more damage to both the importing and exporting parties. So this game might continue, and how long it will go, we don't know. What is your view on these Trump tariffs? What do you think? Generally, people think it's obviously a bad move and wasn't even required. But if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. We'll keep our fingers crossed, and I'll see you in the next video.